This is me, and it is pouring outside. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Aren't you guys gonna be going too wet to be going to the park?
No.
Did your thing charge?
Yeah. It's pouring. Oh my god. I can't. I do videos.
So it's looking at you, is that what it is?
Yeah. Hey, Uncle Steve. Can you hold this like this?
Yeah.
Or no, like this? Because I don't want to get it away.
Just hold it there. What's all this bobbling about? Alright, take a picture. This video. Yeah, that really does use the battery. This is an MP3 player? That thing will last forever. Yeah. You play one of those Zap games or something. It's gone. Although I have to say, it really does last long, you know. I'm always kind of concerned about the battery life because it's my call phone. But, Body slam! It was like, I guess the last time when the kids had it, ran it down, so the whole phone shut off. I'm like, wow, I've never seen that happen. But yeah, it was great. You know, I really like to discharge everything. And of course, I got this new Canon camera, and they're like, we'll never leave, you know, if you're not going to use the camera, then leave it uncharged. Yeah. And then, you know, I'm like, well, what I'd like to know is that there should be a button that would discharge the battery then. Yeah, dump it. Yeah, and then I was having problems because then I wasn't charging the battery before I needed it. Right. And it was like dying then, and I'm like, well, screw it, I'll just have to get another battery. Is there a rainbow, girls? You guys see a rainbow? There was, we went to Disneyland. There's only a few minutes left of the band tape, you know. They put a new tape into it. And we kept on getting, you know, dirty head or dirty tape or something. So we kept on. What could you do? Just keep on using it.
So yeah, it just stopped raining. And we're gonna splash in the puddles. Splish splash. Okay. Splish splash, splish splash. Yeah, but it was awesome. I love the rain, especially when you're swimming in the rain. Okay, look at that. Go, 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 go! Whoa! I'm singing in the rain. I'm recording while I'm splashing. And the rain has stopped. What is your favorite weather? Rainy, sunny, snowy? Well, I love the rain because I live in Arizona. You know, you never hear the rain. I love it. Probably if you live in, I don't know, Washington, D.C., Montana, Iowa, Ohio, you probably love sunny. Like this. But check you guys back later.